How to fix keeps turning off on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click on hold side power button and volume up button. You will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection is worked properly. So if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keeps turning off on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.